Harry's loving it. Hey, mate.
Hey!
Oh, it looks so smooth though.
So much fun.
What? Fuck off. I don't need to see you right now. That's burning!
It's not fucking burning now.
I'm going to have enough strips. Do that half the job.
Hey, that blood dripping. Don't put a face in his back.
Becca, nice quick firm rip.
Go on,
Becca, nice and slow, Becca.
We had an agreement.
I know me.
Whoosh!
I heard that. I heard it.
Stay there! I have to, don't I?
Fuck off, Hancock. Look at them tits. Don't even hurt. Cheers, pal. That's funny, but them tits are massive.
Give me a drink.
Fucking no.
You're stupid, you.
That's still burning. Put
It
it on number 5. Put it on number 5.
That's still
Hurry up! Lewis, you knew I've been on number 9. I want you, Becca. So maybe on number 5. That's fucking ass, that. On his ass. We're like having a new fella tonight, really.
You don't be able to compete with that, you'll have to do yours.
Right, can I have a... Look at that! That's the one. Thank you. That's still burning. Fucking is. You need more than that.
You need more than that, you need to spread it across.
I just listen to
I'm really experienced in waxing. No, that's extra. Fucking hell! Thank you.
You're brave, man.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
Fucking not. I'm quaking in my boots. Fuck off, Mark. Waterproof. I'll drown you. Oh, yeah.
Is it fuck waterproof?
Becca, stop doing fucking
If he fucking drown this, I'll fucking drown him.
Alright, Becca.
Yeah, you look nice, Becky.
What?
Hey, that time Becca did the big ones, wasn't it? Anyway.
Hey! Don't fix my fucking penis size into this. He's taking this over.
Does it hurt?
Yeah,
Does it hurt?
Because it's worse than fucking ripping up.
When are you going to tell him?
In a minute. Yeah,
This is going to take forever, isn't it?
no time to finish. That's just low back. Fuck off. Fucking idiot.
Oh my god.
Fucking getting up proper. It's hard.
Got it back. Here. I can't get it off me.
Oh shit, the bed. Come on.
Get that off me. Get that off.
You don't let no one near me.
I'm seeing fucking dots.
Get it done proper.
Trying.
Of course, I know.
Stu.
Fuck off.
Still a good idea, yeah.
No, it was just idea. Yeah, fast. Do it.
You left a bit though.
Oh, fuck off. Sarah. Ambulance for Mark.
I could have roughly doing
What are you doing?
Fucking waxing your back. Leave them bad boys alone.
Fucking more than that.
It's going to
I
take.
know you're funny. Sorry, you know me, I never flinch.
I'm on it.
Not even funny anymore. I thought it'd be a laugh.
Stu, you've got that one.
Oh, trust me, it is.
Get it fucking done proper, Becca.
Oh, Becca, I think I was meant to tell you this before. You're meant to pull against the
Fuck.
I am. That's what
Do you get babe? Middle. Babe,
Yeah.
just do one slow for lads, please.
Please.
Fuck me, I've got
You
wax
can't
all
shame
over me.
ambulances, Mark.
Hey, there's two of us. Alright, lads.
I don't fucking care, mate. I'll go for anybody now. Get out of this bed.
Will you do it with them?
Oh, mate, I'll say.
No more chocolate bars when you come back house. No more chocolate bars.
Pull it off, Leon.
You're sacked.
He went for a punch to them. You can't go for a punch to girl.
Yeah, I can. No, you obviously don't know what kind of mood I'm in.
Are we going to have enough?
Fuck off.
Let me do it.
No.
I'll do it dead fast.
Fiver.
Shut up, you dick, I'll give you 100 quid.
I don't care. I've not had
Move.
Quick before it's set.
Big.
Oh, yes.
No.
Yeah.
Great having mates.
Have you heard that?
Sort him out.
Tell you what, you're ready, huh?
Can I have a drink, please?
Whiskey's nearly over.
Yeah, of course it is.
Alright.
I'm going to do him in.
Yeah, Leon. Stu, you've still got all that.
Right off. Let people go behind me. That's a silver everyone.
Here, I don't want them. Get them off me, man.
I'm going to do you in. Mikey, sort him out.
Sit here, Leon. Look.
I'll smash your crisp up.
Leon.
That's fucking
Pull them off my finger. It looks like I've been on somebody's clotted minge.
That's all.
Well, no then.
It's my turn now.
Top of your shoulders.
No one's having turned. Well, they did it when I weren't looking. Alright, Scott, how you doing, lad?
Stuart, you're waxing your shoulders.
Oh, your missus has put you down for a fiver. She has, I've got it there on paper.
Get out your nose.
Told me over, bring a fiver.
Missus wasn't that bitey last night.
Told me bring a fiver.
Get me a drink, someone, please. Lewis,
You've only got about another hour left. Don't worry.
fucking no, I'm dreading the house.
You got loads. Shoot, there's fucking loads left, mate. Honestly. Look at that.
I'm telling you.
I'm helping you. I'm helping.
That's not helping me.
Which way do you pull it up?
Which way can you pull it up? Up, obviously. Which way do you pull it up? Down?
Stay still.
Don't fucking do it proper, Holly.
Stay still.
Slowly.
Fuck off, man.
Stay still.
You having a laugh?
I'm trying to get
Stu, your ass is gonna fucking.
Is that my boy still on 9?
Someone get me a drink, please.
Leon,
Get me a drink.
yeah, Becca. What's her arse now? What's her arse? The border man.
Border back.
You can leave his back like that now.
Leave his back. See his ring up.
I can't wait to have a go on your ring. Woohoo!
There's a sentence I never thought of.
I'm looking down.
Oh, John's paid.
Let's do it.
Do it.
Hey, I paid a $1 to do it.
Yeah, just
I paid to do that.
John's
No.
paid to do it. What drink do you want?
Have you?
Any double something.
You know you're going to be like,
Pick them up.
with ice. Oh, you're a rave.
Fuck off! Well, I won't tell you anymore.
I won. I'm not telling you no.
You're fucking going down, pal.
Hey, you've got plenty of mates.
I have.
I'm not going for it. Just read this.
Oh, then.
Swan it.
Thunder, lightning.
Let's go find him.
Oh, let me go for a flag.
Oh, that's it, fat lad.
That's hurting.
What have you done, you have come?
That's it, like it. I kept him alone when I weren't looking at you.
Hello.
What do you like it?
Is that why you went quiet?
Yeah, I get my breath back.
I'll stay behind you.
Mum, fuck
Sort him
off.
out. He's winding me up.
Mum, go away.
No,
No?
I'm saving Stuart.
Yeah. Thank you, Dave.
Stu, why look at that in sex faces?
I'm thinking of his mum. Fucking record that one then. Don't like it now, do you?
He's bringing up himself! Behave! Fucking hell!
I've had it now, Stuart.
What's that stripping his fucking head? Inverted.
Ready for this, Mum?
Yeah.
Fucking swear down.
That's all hey! Leon, behave! You know this, right?
Who's doing this now? I thought you was looking after me.
Pull it down.
Sorry, it was empty.
It won't even touch bottom, Stuart.
Do it hard, Diane. Send them Millie.
Yeah.
Cheers, bro. Right, now stop that Hancock. I mean, you were falling out.
Yeah, take Stuart's hers off the fingers.
I don't like this.
I got. You put him in his drink.
Hey, Ellie, get me out of here. Yeah,
I've been scratching my arse, that's right. Shut up, Mum, and go home, will you?
so that's what it tastes like. Now I know why you like doing it.